Last question, 31. Okay.
Sir, I understand that the Surveyor General of India is mapping the whole of India. When do we expect the all of India property mapping to happen? And second, when we can have the Google Map Indian version ready? Because I understand that work is going on that as well.
I think to give a particular date or
Mike, sir.
To give a particular date or a time or an year may not be the right thing to talk about now. But the way we have, the idea of this whole exercise is to involve everybody in the country, whether he is in the public sector or in the private sector, and it's not only dependent on the Survey of India. Survey of India is already doing all these things and now, right now, there's a very, very ambitious program around Swamitva that has been launched by the Prime Minister. This is going to be a big revolutionary program. And to see that this is implemented with people in the villages and in the panchayats getting their due right, which was denied to them for many years and decades, I think it will require the involvement of everybody. And that's why you have these guidelines now. So certainly, I think this is going to give a big boost in terms of improving the speed as well as the scale of work that we need to do in the coming years. And we, as we had mentioned, that by 2030 we are going to have a big boost to the economy and all those related things in this particular sector.
Download Tarang online radio app from Google Play Store.
You are listening to Tarang Devotional Online Radio.